All right, folks. So how's it going? Let's do a review here today of the K Money Mastery System. I went through the whole course and I was going to give you my thoughts and opinions and what you'd expect if you get it yourself. So basically, you have 21 lessons. And by the way, what is K Money Mastery? Basically, it's a system to teach you how to publish on Amazon Kindle platform, publish books on Amazon Kindle's platform. You don't even have to write your own books. You can hire people to write books. It goes into all of that, and it's a really cool opportunity to make passive income because you do the books, you do all the promotion stuff, and then once the book's on Kindle, you can make X amount of dollars, per month on that same book, again and again. So basically, so there's an overview here area, and then we go right into the lessons here. There's a bunch of videos and PDF downloads, and there's bonus content. Like the intro video here is about 17 minutes. Then there's the master mentality, another 30-minute video about. Then there's some success stories. So that's to get you going at the beginning. That will get you in the right mindset and see what's possible from other students that take the course. Lesson 1, I'm not going to play any of these videos or anything because this is in the course and it's copywritten material and whatnot. So lesson 1, we got finding your niche, profitable niche. Stefan goes through all these courses. He's the teacher. So we got a couple different lessons here in a downloadable PDF. You basically go on Amazon, you find profitable niches and such with keyword research that we do in lesson 2. I'm not going to click on all these because it'll take forever. But so we got a 30-minute video here, another 21-minute video. Some of the lessons are longer, some of them are shorter. I went through the whole program in a couple days, and that was spending a lot of time each day. You can do it over a period of time. You can do it in a week. You can, a month, whatever. You work at your own pace. Like I said, some of the lessons are longer, some are shorter. Like these first ones are kind of a little bit longer. So you have keyword research, and then you can find a title, creating a title for your book that sells, designing a cover for that sells. This is something you can do on Fiverr. You hire cover designers, and they have some good ones there. Let me switch to my blog post here. You want to come to my blog post here as well and check out my full review. So these are some of the covers and stuff like that. And then you get to lesson 5, which is actual creating in the book. These are a couple different videos of creating in the book. You can hire people. This goes into like a lot of different services out there that you can work for hires and different companies and the pros and cons of different ones and which ones they recommend and things like that. And then preparing your book for publishing. Basically, this is you want to get your book on Kindle Direct Publishing, and there's a certain way to format the book, and he goes through this for Mac or Windows users because there's different programs for Mac or Windows. Creating your account on Kindle, on Amazon. This is free, by the way, to do that. Publishing your book on Kindle, viewing your book on Kindle, and then we go into getting Amazon reviews, which is a whole nother system of things that he trains you on. And then marketing the book as well. Then there's a bunch of Twitter and Facebook accounts and groups and things like that that you can promote your book on for free. Some of them are outdated, but there's I didn't say that in the review here, but there's plenty there. Additional promotional strategies. There's a bunch there, bunch of things. Setting up your Amazon author account. Now this is pretty good too because, and by the way, you can use a ghostwriter name or a pen name, I should say. If you're using ghostwriters, come up with a pen name of your own, or even just if you're writing, you can use a pen name. It doesn't matter. And then you can create an account on Amazon here that has your own author's account, so that way people can read, easily see your other books, and you can even put blog updates and stuff on there from your blog. Anyways, and then monetizing your Kindle book. He goes through a whole other chapter here, or lesson here, I should say. And then creating a series of books, and then monetizing on the back end. Here he talks about creating, volume 1, volume 2, or part 1, part 2, whatever of books. Dealing with negative reviews. He has a whole thing about that. Scaling up even make more money, and then how to make books profitable long term. And then lessons 20 and 21 here are kind of the upsells of the program. I find that I started the process already. I don't need the upsells yet. I can see lots of potential benefits to them, but I didn't go for those yet. Probably by the time you're watching this video, I probably did, but I'm not doing a case study here per se. I'm doing a review. So then we got all these bonus lessons, and these are good for many different things. There's different topics here. As I said, I'm not going to go through everything, but go to the blog post. You can read it. Resources. There's all kind of extra templates and stuff for hiring people. His ghostwriter agreement, copyright notice, Kindle book template, all kind of stuff. So yeah, I took the course. And by the way, it's $97. And I didn't buy any of the upgrades. And to write books and you could get a book cover for low as $5, and you get a book written as low as $60. Now I spent a little bit more because I think that you hire better quality writers, you can get better books. But that's just where you can start and what's possibility per book, and then you make X amount of dollars per book every month, depending on how successful you are at marketing your book and getting good reviews on Amazon. And that's what the course is all about. And so it's a really cool course. It's a really great way to make passive income, because once you do all the work, initial work up front, yeah, you still got to check in and do the stuff, a little bit of things here and there, but that's with anything. But you get the passive income for years to come. And so check out my review here on my website, and you can click on this link here to get it. And just as a disclaimer as well, if you do go through my site, I do get a cut of the they have an affiliate program as well. So if you do buy from my link, I will get a percentage. So anyways, that's all for now, and I will talk to you soon.